Hello guys, thank you for being here. I'm here to show you the new feature that we added in this update for the RAG Odoo MCP module. And this new feature is a new authentication method that will allow us to use a per user API key. So this per user API key allows each person to connect with their own native Odoo API key. So the AI model then operates as the user and can do exactly what the user is allowed to do in Odoo, nothing more. And each user generates the API key from the preferences menu, like it's actually the native API that Odoo allows to generate from each user that we will use here to connect our AI model to our Odoo instance. So I will save here. So I check this new button and I save. And to summarize what this feature will do, it will allow me as an admin to give to each user on his Claude desktop, or maybe on the AI model he's using on his machine. In the configuration, I will use for each user his own API key. So in this way, the user will when the user will use Claude or the AI model to interact with the instance, the AI model will interact as the user and can only do what the user can do. So for example, if I don't have access to other sale orders, I cannot ask Claude to edit another sale order than my sale orders, or I cannot ask the AI model to describe me something that I cannot see in Odoo. And let me show you. So now that I set this feature, I will generate an API key. So I go here and I click on Preferences, then Account Security, and here I will click on New API Key. So it's asking me what this key is for, so I will tap MCP. I can also give a duration. It can be persistent or maybe for 1 year. And I click in Generate. And here I have my API key. What I will do now, I will copy this API key and I will paste it in the Claude configuration file. Or if I'm using another AI model, there is always a way to pass the configuration. So here I am using Claude, so I'm going to open my Claude configuration file, and we will use the same block that we were using before for API authentication, and I will use the API key that I've just copy. I save, and now I can open Claude. Good. Now let's see if the connector is on. It is on. Good. And let's ask it to create a sale order for us. Create a random sale order in Odoo. Okay, it created a new sale order. Let's see it. Okay, S22. It's a random one, and look who created it. It's me as Mitchell admin. Okay, so I can know who created what even if he's using the AI model. Good. Now let's say I have another user, Mark Demo. This user only have access to his documents only on the sale orders. Okay, no problem. So he cannot, of course, access the sale order that I've just created with another user. So let's take a look on our Mark Demo account. Okay, so if I go to sale orders, I cannot see the 22 sale orders. It's normal because it's not my sale order. Even if I copy the path and put it here in the browser, so Odoo is restricting me to access other sale orders than mine. Good. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to generate a API key for this user. I've already have one. I'm creating a new one. Set my password first. What is this for? It's for a demo. 1 day. Okay, good. I have my API key. Let's go back to the Claude desktop block and replace the API key. Let's say I'm here in the user's machine, so it's just for the demo here. So I will replace the API key with the Mark Demo API key. Good. So I restart Claude for the changes to take change, to make sense. So I run Claude again. Okay. And now let's ask it maybe to edit the sale order that we created with the other user and that our user do not have access to. So I will say change the partner in, and what's my sale order again? It's S22. In S22 to a random partner in Odoo. First, Claude is trying to do that because he has the tools to, but oh, no sale order named S22 found. Okay, yeah, he can't find the S22, so he is only restricted to what this user can see. But now let's ask it to change the S13, for example. So I will ask it same question, but this time I will say the 13 one. And now Odoo will find our sale order. Nice. Good. It's done. And if I update our page, I can see that the partner have changed, and I can see that Mark Demo did that. So this applies to all other models and all other record rules. And now, from now, Claude is more secure, and you can use it in your company with your different users and allow each one to use his API key and interact in the Odoo instance in security. Thank you, and I hope I see you soon with new updates.